Hello, welcome to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. Last episode, we got, the fuck are they? Where 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 are they? Ah, shit, fuck, ass. Grind boots. And we cleared, the area and fought a boss. Okay, let's give him a try. Yay! I got shoes! Whoop, 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 whoop. Should double jump. Okay, so I can't double jump. And helicopter down. Helipack. Let's see. Show me the map. We've done just about everything. Now... Okay, now we do this. Forget what this is. Shut up. Oh, now we go to the ship. This gonna be good. It looks like it has derpy ass eyes. I don't know what awaits me. Bitch. Wheel. Bam. Oh, fuck. Burn, all of you. Fuck. That was a mistake. Okay. Oh, I just made myself dizzy with that. Okay, that leads to nothing. Got it. Yeah. How the fuck did this thing get out? Oh, ew. I just saw that thing's jaw like fly. It was super gross. Wait. Explosions! My favorite kind. Yeah. Ooh, so much ammo. My instincts tell me I should press this. Let's see. Big red button on a ship in fucking space. I did it! I did a thing. Yay.
Selecting our automated self-destruct feature. Vessel annihilation sequence initiated. Please remove all personal belongings.
Well, fuck my ass. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna, like, do this.
Seriously, I'm not kidding. This whole place...
Fuck. Eep. Okay, I just barely got out of there. Escape! Run, you big bitch! Yay. Do you see that, people? I did that. That's a thing I did. Open up.
This is Darla Gratch reporting live from Blackwater City. We've just learned that Captain Cork will be presenting the grand prize at the Intergalactic Hoverboard Championship, which will be held here over the next few days. In related news, this planet has recently been suffering from an infestation of strange amoeboid creatures. The city's administration has assured this reporter that every step has been taken to eradicate these nuisances.
Hee hee hee.
Darla Gratch, Channel 2 News.
And she died.
Did you see that?
Yes, I hope that poor woman is all right.
She's fine, I think. I was talking about the hoverboard races.
Ratchet has a one-track mind. And that track is things he thinks are cool. Jesus, the Glove of Doom ammo is expensive. Worth. Whoop. And now, for an extended cutscene that we've seen like, what, 8, 9, 10 times? Blackwater City. Blackwater City. Into space. Yay. More space. Yeah, it's a planet. Real gar. Neat. Excuse me. Alright. Sick. Okay, where's the gun thing? Alright, let's see if there are any new guns. The Mind Glove. I think I'll get that later. Don't really want another glove weapon. Just yet. Well, that thing died quick for a tank. Let's see, keep looking around. That was a lot of money. Kind of. It looked like a lot. Hoo-yo! Okay. Big jump. Hoo-yo! I like how to dodge them, I just ran my face into a building. Burn, bitch! Yeah, the flamethrower is like the most effective thing on these guys. Excuse me, bitch? What the fuck you laughing for? That's what I thought. Now you're dead. You see, this is why you don't laugh at people. After you bite them. You laugh at them while you bite them. I threw them off a cliff. Yay, the things are dead. Cool. These little things in their laugh. Ow. Yeah, I have no one to blame for that one but me. So, yeah. Okay, yeah. I just realized and remembered at the same time. I don't have any more guns. Well, I handled that pretty well. Hoo-yah! Hoo-yah! This shit's gonna be so satisfying. Ah. That was so nice to look at. I like that. Yeah. Downtown. Funk you up. Shut up, all the things. Let me jump. Oh, fuck the camera. Okay, now I know what to do. Go pick up all the things. And now we're gonna get to see my favorite and the most OP weapon in the entire game. Next episode, because I just realized the time. Alright. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you had fun. Because I did. Bye.